Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and here with my son. We actually were sent this, which is actually a really nice display board. This is actually a lighted display board that does come with the actual board itself. Everything was meticulously covered so that it made sure that it showed up looking like it is brand new, because it is. It does have two stand pieces that you can actually insert on here to allow this to stand up if you're wanting to do that, but it also has the option to do a hang up if you wanted to hang this up as well. I'm going to go ahead and just put the stand on there temporarily so that you can kind of see how that is as a light up board. It does come with 7. I'll let you go ahead and draw on that, buddy. There's 7 of those. Go ahead and pull one off and you can kind of start to draw on that. Come with 7 colors that you can put on there. Nice set of gloves that whenever it's done, if you wanted to move it and not get fingerprints on it. It does come with a nice little felt piece here that you can use to wipe it down, along with a spray bottle. But the other option you have is you can use this for a business, like if you're going to make an open sign or you have a customized sign, because they do send you with a chain as well as a hook that you can hook into these holes right there. But again, the biggest part of this that there is the fact that this is a light up board. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on here and get it plugged in. It's got a power button. You can power it on. It actually lights up. You can actually switch for the different colors. This is the typical RGB colors. Just have 16 nice soft glow LEDs that kind of illuminate the entire board. You do have the ability to cycle through some of those, as well as do some other fun options like dimming it out, making it go through rainbow colors. Lots of different features that you have just to customize this entire thing. Flash so it works well for your business or just for someone to have fun and play with at home. Whenever you're done, you can just spray it off and use this nice little tool here to wipe it off once it's sprayed. But as you can see, once it's on there like that, without having the water and the spray, it actually is fairly well on there. So that's great. So you're not going to have somebody smudging it around or ruining it if you have this hanging up in a window.